Good day, friends. I'm Tushar here from TechZoom and I welcome you to another video. Today we have Kinevo ZX100. It's a mini speaker, good for portability and it's capable of delivering amazing sound quality through multiple types of devices. This does not have Bluetooth connectivity, but trust me, its 3.5 mm jack delivers better sound anyways. I carried this on one of the weekend gateways and friends loved its sound even when we were actually camping outdoors. Let's look at some of the specs. The time for full charge is 2 hours and then the device can run for about 6 hours straight. What comes in the box is the mini speaker, carrying pouch, USB charging cable and the user manual. The one that I have with me right now is of grey purple grey color combo. This device comes with 1 year limited hardware warranty. It's a pocket speaker, good for pockets, portability and as per budget as well. Expandable resonator. This is I mean basically gives you good bass effect out of it. You can also turn it off if you don't need it. Buddy plug. This device can be friends with actually multiple speakers. You can connect more speakers in the series. So it's time for unboxing, guys. This is a nice carrying pouch. It's a charging cable plus longer cable for playback. The USB plug can be used for charging. Plug it in your PC or through a USB power plug. So you can put some juice into it and connect the mini USB port into the speaker. You can also listen to songs while it's charging. And this is the champ. I loved its design. Basically, this is a perfect example how a good modern design should be. So kudos to whoever's idea this was at the Kinevo. It's pretty small and weighs only 96 grams, which is as good as nothing. There are these buttons on the sides and please remember that the buttons are actually on the colored highlight area of the device. So just a point to remember. There is also a nice little wraparound cable at the bottom. It's a shorter cable with 3.5 mm jack. We don't need it right now, so let's not disturb it. Here is the micro USB port which can be used for charging. This 3.5 mm slot can be used to chain multiple speakers together and use the shorter cable for the source. I actually did it so by connecting my 2.1 computer speakers jack here, and then I played the source from the laptop using shorter cable and it all played well together, giving me better surround sound feel. Now look at the main part, the resonator. The default state is off, so you got to twist and open it to be able to get the bass effect out of it, and twist and close to turn it off the bass if you don't need it. Just like this, twist and open and get some bass effect on your music. So let's connect and The micro USB goes into charging port and the main USB goes into the laptop, so we get the power. When it's connected, there is this red LED that goes up and it shows the charging indication. It turns blue from red when it finishes charging, or it also shows just blue when it's switched on. You go to long press power button to switch it on, and same goes when you want to turn it off. It gives you haptic feedback in both the cases, which is a nice little addition, I would say. Then this is 3.5 mm cable to play songs from any of the devices you have, not just the laptops. You can use iPhone, iPod, Android phones, MP3 players, gaming consoles, or even put it onto the television sets if you have to. While it's not must to connect mini USB port because it comes charged out of the box, I'm just connecting it to for the sake of this demo and to show you how you can play songs while it's actually charging. Before going further, let's quickly overview the product features. It is ERCD design, which means expansive resonator construction design, which gives you enhanced bass effect out of this little buddy device. It is compatible with all iPods, mobile phones, MP3 players, and everything that supports audio out through 3.5 mm jack. It does not support Bluetooth connectivity. Actually, I would have loved Bluetooth here, but with the price band of US dollars 18 and 900 rupees in India, I'm quite happy to not have Bluetooth in here. The price is also important. With this price tag, actually, I feel like it's a nice device to give as a gift, and which actually gives you 360-degree sound, so it's not a headphone, it's something that you can put on your desk. 2 hours for a full charge, and it gives you playback time of 6 hours, which is definitely a plus. Let's play a song from the Pluto. Let's play around with some volume buttons and show you some magic.
You can also turn this off.
Thanks for watching, guys, and ask questions, subscribe to our channel, spread love, and cheers.